Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Mazda CX-9. Stock number is A8270. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, and this CX-9 is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-9 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.